Hey everyone, I'm Manero here, and in this video I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of August are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing, and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero Challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check out all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you're not familiar with my challenge of the month, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media by using the hashtags Manero Brushes and Manero Challenge, and also make sure to tag me so I and others can see it. Feel free to include this image in your post as well. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for August is Stupid Concept. I want you to think of the dumbest or more absurd idea you can come up with, and turn it into a fun and goofy illustration, maybe even a design that could work for a t-shirt or something. In my case, I decided that wearing banana peels for socks would be pretty stupid, so here we are. And what could be even more stupid than wearing banana peels for socks, but wearing absolutely nothing else? So this is what I drew for my own take on the challenge, a fun little dude, pointing at his stupid banana socks while walking. By the way, this month's brush has something a little special. If you have the latest iPad Pro with the new Apple Pencil Pro, you will be able to use this brush with barrel roll. Basically, you can rotate your Apple Pencil to rotate the shape of the brush. If you don't have these latest gadgets, don't worry. The brush will work nicely without the rotation thing as well. I just wanted to give that little something extra to those who have it. I think the textured line work you can get with this brush turned out pretty cool. I also enjoyed the color palette I chose for this month's art challenge quite a bit, and I hope you will too. There's something so pleasing about a very limited palette that makes your drawing look so good, even with just a flat coloring style. And this is the final result to my own take on the challenge. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the challenge of the month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.